Come back, children. In this segment, I'm going to teach you means second part of problems on simultaneous linear equation. Okay, you have to watch it till end, and after that you can solve. I hope this each and every sum by yourself only. Second segment of problem solving on simultaneous linear equation. Question number 16 is given that the result of dividing a number of 2 digit by the number with digit reverse is 1 whole 3 by 4. If the sum of the digit is 12, find the number. So let 10 place be x and 1's place be y. So therefore number equal to what? Number equal to 10x plus y. If you are reversing, so number will be 10y reversing. So number, if I am reversing, the number will be what? 10y plus x. 10y plus x. First condition, it is given that whatever the number will come, that's reversing its denominator, and it will be equal to 1 whole 3 by 4, means 10x plus y. So it is given that the result of the dividing a number of 2 digit number with the digit reverse is 1 whole 3 by 4. So after reversing, our digit has come 10y plus x equal to 1 whole 3 by 4. This implies that I can write 10x plus y by 10y plus x equal to 4 1 4 7 3 by 7 by 4. Now resolving this one, so you cross multiply, will get 4 into 10x plus y equal to 7 into 10y plus x. So our equation become, after resolving, we will get the equation. So 40x plus 4y equal to 70y plus 7x. This implies that I can write, take 40x minus 7x plus 4y plus 70y equal to 0. So this implies that 40 minus 7x, 33x plus 74, means 70, this is 70, okay, minus it will come, so it will be minus, it will be minus 66 y equal to 0. Now dividing the number by 33, means dividing both the side by 33, I can get x minus 2y equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Up to here you write down, please. Second condition, so sum of the number, means it is given 12. Sum of the digit means x plus y equal to 12. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, so x minus 2y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 12, minus plus, change the sign, so this is cancelled, so it will be minus 3y equal to minus 12, therefore y equal to minus minus cancel, y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. आपको यार ये write down. Substituting y equal to 4 in equation 2. So x plus, instead of y I can write 4 equal to 12. This implies that x equal to, take 4 this side, x will be 8. Therefore number hence the number equal to what? X is our 10 place, so 8 into 10 plus 4 means 80 plus 4 equal to 84. Write down. Question number 20, it is given that on selling a tea set at 5% loss and a lemon set at 15% gain, a shopkeeper gains 70 rupees. If he sells the tea set at 5% gain and lemon set 10% gain, he gains 130 rupees. Find the cost of the lemon set. We have to find out the lemon set. First of all, let CP of tea set be X and lemon set be Y. Write down. So first condition or first case you can write means y into 15%, remove the percent, it will be 100 minus x into 5 by 100, that time gaining what? 70 rupees. So 15y minus 5x, taking LCM and doing what? Cross multiplication, it will be 7000. Now dividing by 5 both the side, so dividing by 5 both the sides, so it will be 3y minus x equal to 1400. Let it be question number 1. Second case, it is given if the sharing means percentage is reducing, means here that time it is loss, now means now second case it is given if he sells the tea set 5% gain and lemon set 10% gain. Okay, first one is loss, so I am taking this one first. So second case, it is given 5x by 100 plus 10y by 100 according to the condition. That time gain 130. Once again take the LCM, do cross multiplication, so 5x plus 10y equal to 13,000. Okay, now dividing by 5, so x plus 2y equal to 6,000. 6,000 because 2600 it will be. So this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, this is our equation number 1, equation number 2. So x cancel, and from 1 and 2 I can write minus x plus x cancel, means eliminated, and this will be 3x y plus 5y, it will be 5y equal to 1400 plus 2600, it will be 4000. Therefore y equal to 800. Therefore cost of lemon set equal to rupees 800. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 24, it is given that the student of a class are made to stand in complete rows. If one student is extra in a row, there would be 2 rows less, and if one student is less in a row, there would be 3 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So let number of rows equal to x and number of student. So this one you take number of student equal to x and number of rows equal to y. So total number of student, therefore total number of student. So let number of students be x and number of rows be y. Total number of student equal to what? As we know, number of rows in number of student means x into y, xy. So first case it is given that x plus 1 means if a class made up in a row, if one student is extra means x plus 1, so that time rows is less by 2 equal to number of student means xy. So I can write what? xy multiplied xy minus 2x plus y equal to xy. So xy cancel, okay, xy cancel. So minus 2x plus y equal to minus 2 is there, na? Yes, minus 2. So take minus 2 this side, it will be plus 2. Let it be equation number 1. This is first case. Second case, it is given that if one student is less means x minus 1, that time 3 row will be extra means y means excess, y plus 3. This is our number of student. So xy plus 3x minus y minus 3 equal to xy. So xy cancel. So plus 3x minus y, take 3 this side, it will be plus 3. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, this is minus y, this is plus y, it will be cancelled. Minus 2x, this is 3x, so x will be, therefore from 1 and 2 we get x equal to 5. X equal to 5 because 3 plus 2. Okay, x equal to 5. Now you substitute in equation 1, and from 1 and 2 we got is the value of x. Now it is substituting in equation 1. We have, so 2 into minus 2 into 5 plus y equal to 2, therefore y equal to 2 minus 2 plus 5 means it will be 10, therefore y equal to 12. Therefore number of students equal to xy. Our x is 5 and y is 12, so therefore 60. Write down please. Question number 28, it is given that a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train had been 3 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. if the train were slower by 15 km per hour, it would have taken 2 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. So according to the question, I am assuming let the speed of the train be x and time be y. Therefore, length of the journey, length of the journey means distance, that is distance equal to x and xy. Okay, first case means if speed is 2 km faster, means x plus 30, that time 2 hours taking time less, so x y minus 2, that time it will be xy. So xy minus 2x plus 30y minus 60 equal to xy. Remove xy both the side, so it will be 2x minus 2x plus 30y equal to plus 60. Let it be equation number 1. Second case, if speed is reducing, means less 15 km per hour, 15 km less by 15 km per hour. So x minus 15, that time taken, as we know speed is less, therefore time will take more, so 2 hours extra equal to xy, that distance is covering. So multiply xy plus 2x minus 15y minus 30 equal to xy. Remove xy both the side, so 2x minus 15 equal to plus 30. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, 2x minus 2x cancel, and this is 30y minus 15y, so it will be 15y equal to 30 plus 60 equal to 90, therefore y equal to 6. Yes, y equal to 6. Now substituting, y equal to 6 in any equation, so I am putting this value in equation 2. So it will be 15y. So I can write 2x minus 15 into 6, 90 equal to 30. This implies that 2x equal to 100, 90 plus 30 means 120, therefore x equal to 60. Okay, therefore journey or distance, journey equal to xy, means value of x equal to 60 and y equal to 6, so 360 kilometers. This is our required answer. Write down. Question number 32. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When Bhavna takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 2600 as hostel charges, whereas when Divya takes food for 26 days, she pays 3020 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So let fixed charge be X and daily charge be Y. So according to the question, X plus 20Y equal to, that time she is paying, first girl is paying 2600. Let it be question number 2. And second girl, according to the second condition, 26 days is paying, she is paying 3020. Let it be question number 2. Change the sign, minus, x has gone, so it will be minus 6y equal to 4 minus 420. Change the minus gone, so y, therefore y equal to 70. Now substituting y equal to 70 in 1, equation 1. So I can write x plus 20 into 70. 20 into 70 equal to 2600. So 20 into 70 equal to 2600. Therefore x equal to 2600 minus 1400 equal to 1200. Therefore fixed charge equal to 1200. Fixed charge will be rupees 1200, and daily charges equal to rupees 70. So this is all about from your problem on simultaneous linear equation. I hope you understand. You please continue with the YouTube video, those who are not able to attend our online classes. Subscribe my channel and press like button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Watching this video till end, I hope you understand. So subscribe my channel and press like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.